Looks my spot guys. Oh, I take the video that one already. Oh, closing that's Capitol Hill. The mountain of the Capitol Hill already barred again. Yeah. Shout out Mr. B. Say look. Grabe oh. But this is my first guys. So ulit tayo. Yesterday I have the video. Kaya nag-try tayo dito guys yesterday. I go that side and hiding the canoe. But this time not canoe, this time I transfer this side because this very hard. That's my spot. But this time is good. See look, hiding that way again. Alright, I wish I catching. How many pieces I catching to the guys. Guys ko lang. Continuous guys. Alright, where's my bread? Or be hiding or what? Guys ko lang guys. And guys, so even small. Up. Okay na for me guys. Missy guys. Ayan na guys, may one na agad. Back to the future guys. Isa pa lang, empty yan guys. Empty mama. Empty. Mamimi yan. 5 na yan. Alright, continue natin guys. Kahit na ganyan lang sizes, okay na yan. Guys, pangalawa natin. Uy. Come on mama. Guys, Come on, mama. Up. Lumalaban, guys. Still fighting, guys. I think like a good size. Bigger to the another size, guys. Oo nga, guys. It's bigger little bit this one, guys. Okay, so. Yan. I tell you, guys, sit down. Yung bucket. Alright. This is it. Ganyan lang guys. You stay in standby. Ang fishing. You can have the fish guys. Right, continuous lang guys ha. Big size guys. Yes sir. Continuous na pa Joey. That's the one. One guys. Only 3 minutes guys. Continuous guys ang biting ni mama guys. Ayun guys. Yung big size guys. Ayan na guys. Thank you mama. I love you mama. But the mountain guys continues barn guys. In the Capitol Hill. I wish no house is barn too. At Papa Jerry always continues catching guys. Excuse lang. Alas 4 media na yata guys. Alright, we have 3 already guys. Let's go. Guys, so namit natin si Ring dito sa restaurant nila guys. Come on mama. At least may kumagat sa atin yan guys. Come on mama. Oops. Kaya mama, gutom to guys kaya kumagat eh. Ayun malaki siya. Yung malaki guys. Ayos, thank you po. Yun pang-apat pa lang Dito tayo sa restaurant ni Rin. Yan. Apat pa lang guys pang-apat pa lang yan. Isang malaki At na yan guys. Hindi tayo na 0 ulit. Kahapon nakalima lang tayo. Yan 4. Continuous natin. I-sabay ko ng video ko para mababa naman guys. Alright. Kahit mag-like na ako. I'm okay guys. Alright guys. Time to go home. Ulit 4 pieces guys. At least still catching guys. But this time not good already guys. At least it's 35 but this time 4. By the way, you have that talanja, that guy. See? I train this spirit, but only 4 guys. It's okay. I'm losing 2. Alright. At least yesterday and today together my video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See? Still white. You see that? Yeah. There. See? It's not the same already, guys. The water is staying, not moving. If the water is like we have a current like little bit, it's the one is good. But this time it's okay. At least still catching, guys. So, guys, love you guys. I love you guys. See you soon. Okay, good afternoon, guys. I'm here now in the back of the PIC, guys. My first throw, but the problem is we have 2 mermaid is coming, guys. Ay, puta guys, guys, patay tayo, nakawala pa, guys. Continuous ko lang, guys, kasi dumaan pa rito yung 2 unggoy. Ay, Jesus name. Kala ko dahil nothing, but somebody bite, guys. Let me see what kind of fish you bite today to Papa Joy, guys. Oop, oop, oop. 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 Alright. Thank you po. Yes. So lang, guys. Pang night time na. Sabay ko to sa isa kong video ko, guys. Yes. I make together. Alright. Continuous lang, guys. Guys, sama natin to sa video natin, guys. Oop. Malaki-laki pa naman, guys. Diyan lang sa harapan ko. Come on, come on. Ayun, guys. Nakatatlo pa rin tayo kahit paano. Ano? 1, 2, 3. Pwede na. Puntis lang. Iswa. Madilim. Madilim pero still catching sila, guys. Ayun ho. Come on, mama. Guys, sunod na, guys. Continuous na yan. Oh. Thank you, mama. Alright. Puntis natin, guys. At least we still have activities today again with yesterday.